Hey guys, it's New Year's Day in Thailand and join us for our first day in Bangkok. Make sure you stay to the end to see my review on McDonald's fried chicken. The first place we visit is always a 7-Eleven. I think we should get one each. This is my favorite drink, curcumin. Tamarind, lemon, and turmeric. Did I say tamarind? No, it's no tamarind. Cumin, lemon, and turmeric.
We'll drink one now and then I just want to sip.
Okay.
No.
Oh, that's good. Sour. Highly recommended. I think it's good for you. I smelled incense. People are praying already for the new year, I guess. The vendors are not even open yet. The malls aren't open. We have no choice but to eat McDonald's. All right, here we go. What are we getting? All right, guys, we are trying the McDonald's Punchy. Got a donut, soy sauce in there. Want my coffee? It's black though. You can add sugar if you want. The weirdest thing about Thailand McDonald's is that they don't have cream or milk, just sugar. It's so weird. All right, we're here at Central World. It's not open yet, but this Bangkok street food is. Looks like a Christmas market. Oh, it's not open. Oh, there's no one in there. Looks good. I like this stuff. We're just walking around trying to kill time until we're allowed to check in and waiting for the malls to open. Well, Big C, our favorite store. It's like a giant superstore, or Loblaws. I like to go here to buy like groceries and t-shirts and everything actually. Everything's cheap. Oh, Thai tea. Whoa, the door almost killed me. This is the official Thai tea place. 55 baht, that's $2 Canadian. Ooh, that looks good. Yep, mix it up. We're trying to find the chicken place that we had 2 years ago. You can take this both 10 baht, I think. It's very cheap. Pennies, literally cost pennies. The chicken place was around here.
Yeah, around the corner.
Oh, baby pineapples.
What's what it said?
I know. Just repeating what you said. It's here, right? This is it. Yeah, this is it. Definitely it. Wang Hang Pratunam chicken rice. All right, we found the chicken place. It is tucked away in a corner. They actually have two locations right next to each other. That's how busy they are. Make your order outside, and as soon as you sit down, you get your meal served to you. So we have the Hainanese chicken, and then whatever that is, fried chicken, some soup. So this place is super busy. It's probably the only place that's open around here. Try this broth here. It's very clear. It's just like black pepper. It's nice. It's really hot to be drinking this right now. My elbows are sweaty. How much is this? 50 baht? That is $3. Just under $3 Canadian. Want the blood jello? Blood jello. Wow, that's a real first meal after the 22-hour from Toronto to Bangkok. It was the longest flight of my life. 17 hours from Vancouver to Bangkok. We're gonna get our first Thai massage here. All right, the prices are pretty cheap. Right, just finished my massage at Siam Hang Hang, literally steps away from our hotel. We're still waiting to get checked in. Massage was more painful than relaxing, that's for sure. Probably 90% painful, but much needed after a 22-hour flight. My calves literally felt like they're on fire and they're sore right now. My lungs felt like they're exploding at some positions she was putting me in. And at one point, I swear she was trying to rip my head off my spine. But at the end of the day, I feel really great. All that for 300 baht, which is $12 Canadian, $9 US. The lady kept apologizing and she was drunk, or she still is drunk, I guess, from last night. She apologized like 10 times, saying that she drank too much. How was your massage?
Great. The poor old lady got freaking tears as we're like gonna break off because all the knots in my back. So there's a lot of guys here.
I know. Can you drink your tea quickly? Come with us to check out our room. Where we have to take an extra flight of stairs. This is where the magic definitely doesn't happen. All right, thank you. Damn, this is it. How much we pay for this? Jesus Christ. The smallest room I've ever been in. Smallest room I've ever been in. Is this the best hotel we could find? It's like a jail cell.
Yeah.
Alright. Stuff. That's our bed. And this is the washroom. That is it. Nothing else. I feel like I'm in a cruise ship cabin.
Yeah, it does feel like that.
Yeah. We are back and the time is 4:20 Stalls are open. I am tired. Oh, that looks good. Whatever they're doing here. If we can get a table. I'm starving. I'm craving like pad thai or basil pork. Let's cut through here. There's nothing in this mall. It's empty. No food, no nothing. All shops are closed. Oh look, there's a bunch of food here. Oh, that's massage. That's a massage place. It looks like food court, but there's nothing here. Reception, yeah. Supposed to buy coupons from her. No, let's get out of here. We found food at Swasti Foodie Hub. Wow, how nice it is. Well, what do we got here? Boat noodles. Yeah, you have to buy the coupon. Oh, that looks good. Hello. I want everything. This is like an Indonesian mall. Oh, halal food. This is more in. Oh, my fried fish. And they have lap. What's this clap noodle thing? There's the pad thai. Chicken clap noodle. What the hell is that? So all halal. They have non-halal food here. So we ordered pat krapao. But here they don't have pork. It's all halal. And she only takes cash. Every other place takes coupon. But it's all halal food. So yeah, notice there's no pork on anything. All right, here we go. Whoa, that looks weird. So we got pad see ew, chicken, pat krapao, beef. And we got some soup here, all for like $4 or $5. Mainly Indonesian people here, Indonesian Thai. Just wanted something quick as I'm starving.
Okay.
How's your pad see ew?
Mediocre, I think it's...
Mediocre? It looks overcooked. Very gooey. Check it out. He was saying something about the noodle. I didn't understand what he was saying. It's weird having basil beef. Usually I don't have that. It's usually pork. Eating on a plastic piece of paper. Goes the yolk. I'm gonna eat this chili. Tastes like $2. Makes me want to go back to the chicken place.
Yeah.
So good for.
Not good at all.
Yeah. Don't come here. So, did you know there's a difference between the two ketchups? One is American and one's just tomatoes. I want to see if you can find out which one is which. We got our chicken and fries. This is 150 baht, which is $6, right? $6. All right, let's see how it goes. Try it. See, tell me if you can tell the difference between tomato and American ketchup. That's weird. The middle one's really weird. Kind of like the tomato. The middle one's the tomato, by the way. It has no sugar. Not as good as I remember it. It's not as juicy here. Maybe it's just the location or the freshness, but my first experience was amazing. As it always is. You try to chase that memory. But yeah, not bad. 150 baht. Gigs for 200 baht. 7 gigs for 50 baht. I mean, it's so worth it. I should have just got that. Unlimited 5G 8 days for 400 baht. 15 days, 700 baht. And again, 7 gigs. Yeah, I should have just did this. After a long day of eating, walking, and figuring things out in Bangkok, we decided to call it a night. In the next video, we'll take you step by step on how to get from Thailand to Laos, what the immigration process is really like, and what you should bring before you go. So if you're planning a trip to Laos or just curious about the journey, you won't want to miss that one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.